Emily again. Today we're going to be discussing how to be successful in those first week of classes. So first things first, know where your classes are, get a map of CSU's campus, figure out what buildings you're in, where you need to go, plan out your route. You should be doing this during Ram Welcome. However, I really encourage you to just kind of walk it yourself. That way you have a good understanding before that first week of classes. That way you're not stressing trying to get to your next class or anything like that. Second, make friends in your classes. I encourage you to talk to 2-3 students around you in every single class that week. That way you really build up your friendship groups and are able to meet new people. And lastly, get your textbooks sooner rather than later. CSU bookstore should have all of your textbooks available. There will be a limited amount of used textbooks that you can purchase, so those will be a little bit cheaper. However, it's going to be a limited amount, so the sooner you go, the more likely you are able to get that used textbook. You also have the option to rent your textbooks. However, I don't fully encourage that, especially with your engineering textbooks. I still use my engineering textbooks even from freshman year. If I'm doing a work project or school related, I can always go back and reference something. So I definitely encourage you to keep those. However, it is completely up to you. Good luck in the first week of classes, guys, and go Rams!